Hi, this is my new Hotpoint washing machine. Had one a few days ago, but it was sounding very tinny on the spin cycle, so they gave me a replacement. Supposed to be a 35-day wait, and I had it actually within a week, so I'm very impressed with that. That was through Argos and through Hotpoint themselves. So I was asked to put the washing powder in and do the first cycle, which I'm going to do now. So first I have to put it on. So hang on. Right, I'll do that again for you because I had to switch it on at the wall. So I'm putting it off for a minute. Start up again now. Right. Right, I've put it on number 10. As you can see, that'll be a fast wash at 60. As you can see the other washes. Spin is 1400, I don't want. I've got that one. Start again. That one. So I've got a few choices going on, or off obviously. So I'm going to have that one today. Temperature is already on 60 anyway. It's on a normal. It'll be on for a minute. So let's do that one more time to show you, because it did not come out very well. Hang on. Right, I'm going to put the wash on anyway, okay? This one, the replacement's been working perfectly. No tinny noise, everything's perfect. So I'm very pleased with it. So as you can see, powder goes in there. It does not go into that one at all. Also, I can find it. Just give me a minute. There we are. Everything's hiding in my drawer here. I use powder. I use surf because I find that really good. Obviously you use whatever you want, but I like surf. I used to use Daz. If you use a liquid, it goes in this one, and then you put this measuring thing in here so you can have an idea how much liquid to put in. I won't put it in properly because I've got powder in, but that slots it. Sorry, that slots in down there, as you can see. So that goes there. Do not put nothing in this part, and obviously your comfort will go in here. And so, hang on, just do that. I'll go to fill and do the same time. Right, I don't measure because I know roughly how much I want to put in. Right, that's done. Okay, nice little action on the door. As I said, it's on number 10, and that'll be a fast wash on 60, which is really nice too. So I'm going to put the machine on now. As you can see, it's flashing, so it's ready to go. It does a little click and then it does its thing. Okay, and it's on normal wash. Mine's on the board because my floor is out and I had it shaking quite a bit, so it's perfect now, it doesn't shake or anything, because as I said, my flooring is out. Very pleased with the replacement, no problems at all. Highly recommend this one. It's a cracking machine and it's very quiet. It's on 1400 spin. I've done a video of that, it's also online, so obviously you can check that one out as well. And I'll see I'll be posting this when I finished. So I hope this will be alright for you. Because somebody wanted me to put the washing powder in and do the first, you know, start the machine off basically. So I hope this is okay. It's already on the 59 already, so countdown starts now. Just give it a minute and then it starts up. As we're waiting for him to start up, this is my new cool bin, which is also on video. So just go like that and it's cool. This is yourself down. Handy little bin. That's also online. If you want to check it out. I had a Zanussi washing machine before I had the Hotpoint. I had that about 7 to 8 years and no problem at all with it, never broke down. That was a 1600 spin and it was a 7k drum, and that's also still on YouTube if you want to check it out, because that was a cracking machine as well. Really loved that one, but they didn't have many Zanussi, so I went for Hotpoint. That's the reason why I got this one for a change. Otherwise I would have gone back to Zanussi, but they didn't have much, so. Had this in Argos. They also do it in Tesco's Direct. And I've had Tesco's Direct delivered before with a Zanussi, obviously when I had that one. And it's very good service. And this time I had Argos delivering, and that was also a good service. As I said, I had problems with the first Hotpoint. It was sounding very tinny on the spin cycle. The wash was fine, but every time I done a spin on 1400 or any other spin, it would just sound very tinny, didn't sound right. So fair play, they exchanged it straight away for me, no problems, no problems at all. Because I was going to ask for an engineer to come out, it was only 2 days old, and they said, oh no, it's no problem, we'll just change the machine, so that was even better for me. So obviously there's not much to see, it's just starting off the cycle at the moment, so. It's a pretty quiet machine as well. They also do it in white. They do it in, I think, a grey, but I fancied the blacks. I've always had a white washing machine, and I fancied the black for a change, so it would be nice. So I've gone for black, as you can see. So I might have to come back to this. It's going to take a while to get into it. because it's got to spin and put the water in and do everything else yet, so I can't do it all the time, 55 minutes waiting to do it, obviously. So I'll try and break this video up if I can. I said I wasn't going to make any more videos of the machine, but somebody wanted to see the beginning of it, so I hope it's alright for you. Also, I know you've got a whirlpool, and I hope that machine's going alright for you as well. Right, I'm going to knock this video off and come back to it when it's on a spin, and it'll be spinning on a, hang on, no, 1400, so I can change this to suit me in the middle of it, which I'm pretty pleased about. So I'm going to do it on that one. I'm going to have to change it when I come back because I'm videoing today. Temperature should be 60, I think. Yeah, so if I press it again, see what happens. I can change that as well then. But I want to stick it to 60 because that's what I want the wash on today. So I can change temperatures as I'm going along. See, there's a child lock on there as well. Obviously I don't need it, my son is 29, so I don't need to do that now. The timer saver I've not done as yet, but I've done everything else on the machine. I tried all the different spins, and I tried where are we? I tried the mix wash, which is great. I tried the fast wash, I tried this one, I tried the shirts, I tried the wool, I tried them all and they're pretty good. So. Right, that's it for now, and when it spins I will take another video of it doing that, and hopefully that will be helpful to you. So 53 minutes, so we'll come back in a few more minutes and see where we go from there. Right, okay, bye for a minute. Well, I'm just coming back to check the machine. Now you can see the water's already in now, and it's going along nicely, quiet. We're on 38 minutes. I also want to say, earlier on in the other video, I said it's on for a minute, I meant an hour. So I'll make a correction on that. And I also didn't say why I had to change my washing machine. As I said, I was very pleased with my Zanussi, which was a 1600 spin 7k drum, had for 8 years, or 7 to 8 years, and there's no problems with it at all. It never broke down. Obviously it broke down recently, and like I said, the thing that went with it was the spin cycle on it. It would spin, but it wouldn't, the clothes would still be wet coming out, hence having a new machine. But apart from that, there was nothing wrong with it. So I was actually gutted I had to change it. And as I say, I'm very pleased with this one, and it's got more features on it than the Zanussi did, and obviously technology changes all the time, so I'm very happy with this one at the moment anyway. I'll come back to this again in a few more minutes because we're on 37 minutes at the moment. My cat's not here at the moment. She loves sitting in front watching the machine, so I pity she's not here. I could film her as well. Spin has stayed the same anyway, which is good, because I can change the spin and I can change the temperature if the cycles are on. I just noticed that. But it stayed to where I want to do it, which is good. Right, I'll come back again in a few more minutes, and hopefully it will be spinning and you will be able to see that then as well. Right, back in a few minutes. I've just come back to have a look and it's draining some of the water. It might spin, I'm not sure yet, so just keeping an eye on the machine to do this video for you. Well, 31 minutes. I put this on for 1 hour, not 1 minute as I keep saying. This drum is an 8K drum as well, by the way. I did go for a 7K drum. Here we go, here's the spin. Good timing. Be quiet for a minute for you to hear it. Spinning on that. As I said quickly, I went for a 7K drum with Argos where I bought it. They didn't have any 7K drums left and they gave me a 8K drum and that was £40 more and I had that free of charge. I think the machine was about £316 or something like that anyway. So that was kind of good of them. Pleased with that as well. Can't fault them. On 30 minutes now. Strained the water, I think, and it's going to spin. That's just the noise of the rubber. Nothing to worry about, as I first thought. As I said, I put the wood there because my floor is out. I did my other one was very tinny and there was something wrong with it. So this is my replacement and it's perfect. I think so anyway. And I'm very pleased with it. 29 minutes. So ages to go yet. I can change the cycles to show you. I don't know mess up the machine obviously, but I'll try that. So anyway. That's just the noise of the rubber because it's new. Having problems with my camera a minute, apologies. Hang on. Right. I'm going to put it back now, otherwise my washing will be not right. Then I'll have to do another video with different spins anyway to give you a good idea what it's like. So we've had the spin, we're now filling up again with water. We're on 20 minutes now. Just my camera will be here in focus. Okay. Right, I'm going to knock off again and I'll come back and then more towards the end now. Just got an idea what it sounds like on that spin, and obviously it slows down a little bit as well if I change it. Right, be back in a few minutes again for the end of it. Come to check my machine, it's just shaking a little bit now at the moment. I'm going to sort that out and put something underneath again on the floor. Doesn't do it too much. Around 15 minutes. As you can see, it's had water in there, it's drained it again, and now we're on another spin cycle. I'm coming back and forth to do bits and pieces of it. Picking up now. It shakes a little bit, so my floor is like just terrible. So I'm going to deal with that. action on it picks up speed. The machine is only shaking, as I said, because my floor's out and it's the boards on the floor. So I should wedge that if I have a chance to do so. Hence the cardboard holding everything down at the moment. It's a practical bit to do. Pretty quiet machine, I'm pretty happy with this. So I tried it on the in intensive and the delicate, and they work all fine as well, no problems. It does stay quiet for a little bit and then it does its thing again. Then you're going to fill it one more time, then drain, and then spin. And then that will be the end of that cycle, which you've been on for 1 hour. So I'm going to knock this off now, so you need to film any more until the very end. It's going to be quite a long video to put together. So there's not much else I can show you apart from from the other spins, which I will try and just do. I do different spins and then put them all together in one video. I can try and do that. Then I have an idea then what it's like. Because I've done the 1400 spin, which is online, because I had the replacement. I've got the videos online of when it was that one, when it was sounding tinny and everything. I haven't taken them off, so you can see the difference of the machine. And obviously, you know, it's a new C online as well still, so you can check that one out as well. That's on there somewhere. So I've got that going on different spins as well, to give you an idea what the machines were like. Right, we're on 11 minutes, we haven't got long left to go. So that hour has gone pretty quick. Right, be back in a few minutes to finish it. Bye a minute. Now I'm back to check the machine. We're on the last 4 minutes, so I will film for the last 4 minutes of it. And basically then you've seen small clips, what I've done. I broke it up and you've seen an hour basically, but I broke it up into small clips for you. So you've got 4 minutes left to go. We're still on that spin. On number 10. On the fast wash 60. And that was an hour. On normal. Strained all the water now again, and obviously it's going to do its thing around the spin. Now we'll put this video together later because it's quite a long video. And I'm going to sort all that out. And hopefully I'll be able to put it together and sort it out for you. Mm. 3 minutes and count down. When it gets to the end of the cycle, it will do a click and it will say end. wheat in now. Two minutes. I don't usually talk when I take the washing machine, but someone asked me to explain about it, so that's what I've done today. So hopefully it's helpful to anybody, and I hope this video will be okay. And if you view it and my other stuff, then thank you very much if you look. Two minutes and counting. One minute to go. Full hour, but I broke it up into pieces for this video. I hope it's helpful to you. These videos are not going to be this long, but I had to break it up, so hopefully it is helpful to some people. Still on 1 minute. shaking because my floor is out, so don't have to worry about that. Well, that's it. We've done an hour's wash and I broke it up into small videos. I hope it's been helpful to you. I will try and get all this put together soon as I've got time, because I'll come back in from work. And if you view my videos and this, then thank you very much. Well, have a good day everyone, and I will see you soon. Bye.